Now in this lecture, we'll be discussing the momentum indicator. Now this is another very good indicator that you can use as a beginner trading Forex. This is also an indicator that I use when I'm trading Forex. So this is a very good indicator to use. So how do you use the momentum indicator? You use the momentum indicator to trade market divergence. Okay? And I'm just going to explain what do I mean by divergence. Divergence is when the market is making a higher high while the indicator is making a lower high. The market is making a higher high and the indicator is making a lower high. That's what you call a divergence. And in this case, that's a sell signal. And if you had sold the market here, then you would have made maybe 200 pips. And I'm just going to show you some more examples of divergence. So here we have another very good example of divergence. Here we see the market's making lower lows while the momentum indicator is making higher lows. Okay, so this is a lovely example. Nice divergence. And you can see as a result, market rallied. So this is a lovely example of how to use the momentum indicator. Here are some other lovely examples of trades you could have taken using the momentum indicator. So here the market is making lower lows and on the momentum indicator we are making higher lows. Divergence by the market anywhere in this region, and that's 100 pips, 130 pips up. Here the market makes again divergence. Sell the market anywhere in this region because here, let me draw the line. Here, the market is making higher highs while the momentum indicator is making lower highs. Okay, lower highs, market is making higher highs, momentum indicator is making lower highs. That's a divergence. And you can see the result is the market falling over 300 pips. Now this was a fundamental announcement, but nonetheless you could have entered this trade based on the momentum indicator. So remember, you can combine these indicators together, the momentum indicator and some of the other indicators, plus your knowledge of the candlestick patterns, trend lines, support and resistance into one strategy to get the best results. Okay, so the momentum indicator is a very good indicator to use when you're trading Forex. Here we can see the market is making higher highs. See, higher highs, and the momentum indicator is making lower highs. And as a result, we see the market fell. So the momentum indicator is a very good indicator that you can use as a beginner trading Forex.
Yeah.